This is entertainment news. It's about Tinashe Mutarisi Speaks after his company Tinashe Furniture was gutted by fire last night. Well, Tinashe Mutarisi took to his social media platform and posted this. He said, Nash Paints boss Tinashe Mutarisi took to his social media platform and posted this. He said, I regret to inform you that there was a fire outbreak at our Nash Furniture's headquarters last night. We would like to express our gratitude to Zimbabwe Fire Brigade, who responded quickly to the scene and worked tirelessly to extinguish the fire. The bravery and dedication of the 16 men and one lady who attended us today is unmatched. Yanga iri kala rani chayo. We are open for business and ready to serve you. We appreciate your understanding and support during this difficult time. That is Tinashe Mutarisi speaking out after the fire gutted his property last night. We are very, very sorry to hear what happened to them, and we are happy that they are back in business. This has been Entertainment News in Zimbabwe. Till next time, goodbye.